In this video I'm going to show you how you can offer your users a choice of print layouts. Now we're looking at an event here which is a 3-photo event, and we're looking at the print layout screen. So here are the 3 placeholders on this layout. Now by default, when the user runs this event, they take their photos and then they are shown the photo options screen, and they just have the option at this point to print the layout with their photos on it or finish. So every user of this event will print out exactly the same layout. But I want to offer them a choice here of different layouts. So how do I do that? Well, there is a new item that can be added to the screen with the latest version of RightBooth, which is this print layouts item. So let me add it. Now it adds it here, and it's inviting us to double click it to alter the content. So what I'm going to do is double click, and it brings us to the print layout files section where we can add new layouts. So I'll just go to the add button. That takes me to my library of print layouts, and I designed a few earlier. There's another video that explains how you can design print layouts and save them. So I've created 4 here, so I'll just select them all. Click OK. It adds them to this list. I can put them in the order that I want to appear in the grid. So let's put this at the top. No, let's put that at the top and the other 2 down here. OK, click the OK button, and it's added them to the grid. So it's just a case now of designing the screen so that they fit properly. So I'll just spend a bit of time doing that. So let's move these over here. Let's add a label that prompts them to select a layout. Okay, that looks reasonable, and that's all there is to it really. So let's just show you what happens when I play this event. Okay, so I'm simulating a user here, and she's taken 3 photos and she's arrived at this screen. So simply selecting one of these options here lets the user choose the layout that they want to print. And it's as simple as that.